Hello and welcome all dear parents and kids. Now it's time to take another vowel and that is O. O. And what is the sound of O? O sound is O. Okay, so let's start. O, G, Og. O, G, Og. O, P, Up. O, P, Up. O, T, Ut. O, T, Ut. Now CVC words. So just repeat after me and try to speak these two letters together because we have did practice of it. Okay, so let's start. D, og, dog. See, d, og, dog. L, og, log. L, og, log. F, og, fog. F, og, fog. J, og, jog. J, og, jog. Up, up. H, up, hop. T, up, top. M, up, mop. P, up, pop. Once again. H, up, hop. T, up, top. M, up, mop. P, up, pop. Now, odd words. How you will speak it? H, ut, hut. P, ut, pot. L, ut, lot. G, ut, got. Once again. H, ut, hut. P, ut, pot. L, ut, lot. G, ut, got. It is very easy to speak if you know the phonetic sounds of each and every alphabet. Okay kids, now it's time to Now we will do some exercise and for that you have to read the words, CVC words. So first one is d, og, dog. H, ut, heart. So is this a dog or heart? Yes, it is a dog. So match it with it. Now next one is p, ut, pot. T, up, top. Okay, so where is stop? Is this stop or pot? This is stop. So match it with it. Now next one is l, ut, lot. M, up, mop. What is this? This is a mop. So matching. Now this is l, og, log. G, ut, got. So this is log. Okay. Now next one is f, ug, fog. J, ug, jog. The boy is doing jogging. So we will match it with jog. Now next one is p, ut, pot. P, ut, pot. And this is p, up, pop. And this one is pot. So we will match it with this. Okay guys, so do revise it at home. Do more and more practice of it. Speak aloud and enjoy the session. Bye bye.